Are you missing out on important tweets from specific accounts on Twitter? Let's walk through the steps to enable notifications for when someone you want to hear from sends a tweet on your PC. To begin, open Twitter on your PC. Next, locate and click on your profile picture in the top right corner. Then select Settings and Privacy. In the Settings page, find and click on the Web Notifications option in the left-hand column. Within the Notification Types menu, ensure to tick the box next to Someone I want notifications from sends a tweet. To save your changes, simply click on the Save Changes button. Congratulations! You have successfully enabled notifications for tweets from specific accounts on Twitter. Now, you can stay updated and engaged with the content that matters most to you. By following these simple steps, you can ensure that you never miss out on tweets from the accounts you find important. Stay connected and informed with ease. Happy tweeting!